Hello, good evening. This is Juliet. Starting tonight, I will start several shorts blog about my veiling, a Catholic ancient practice very close to my heart. I will take you with me in reminiscing my journey in veiling. This will be a series of a few more to follow. Today's Veiling number 1 series has a very special story why I wear a veil to Mass. Tonight, at the BLD Life in the Spirit seminar, I wore a red collar. And on the next blogs, that's when I'm going to discuss about the colors of the veils that I use at church. So this is how I wear it. And there is a clip that was sewn, and I just clip it at the top of my head. And this is how it looks like. So this is how I look at the cathedral tonight in St. Catherine's. I attended the BLD or Bukas Loob sa Diyos. In English, it's Open in Spirit to God. They held a Life in the Spirit seminar. And tonight was the graduation. Okay, I'm going to continue with my story about veiling. In the last 4 decades in Toronto, Canada, people most likely wondered why I wear a veil to Mass. My journey began when I was in high school in 1960. Now you can guess how old I am. No, I will not keep you guessing. I will be 78 years old this coming July. At my age, I have lived through many changes in the church, and veiling is one of them. Back then, when I started going to Mass, when I was still a young girl in high school, Latin was the form of liturgy. It was customary for Catholic women to cover their heads in church. I attended Mass every morning before school, and wearing a veil became part of my reverence and love for our Lord in the Blessed Sacrament. Nobody taught me how to do that, because not one in my family I did not see going to church daily. But it's because the school is very close, to the church. It's only maybe about 5 minutes walk. I went by myself, and I was wearing a veil then. Since then, even today, every time I put on a veil, it reminds me that I am entering the house of God with humility, reverence, and love. In my next shorts blog, I will tell you what happened with my veiling after I came to Canada. See you next time on my veiling series, short number 2. Please subscribe, like, and share. Hype this video and send me a comment. See you on my short number 2 about my veiling. Good night. As you can see, my altar is my background. I don't have any nice place in my house to do that. Actually, the house is messy, and I'm not going to show it to you. But I will start this veiling shorts blog. Good night and sweet dreams, and God bless you all.